Maybe you've noticed there's no copy command in SketchUp. Instead, there are copy options within the Move and Rotate tools. And the idea for this is simple. You want to start moving or rotating and then decide, while you're doing that, if you want to leave a copy behind. It just lets you keep your options open a little bit longer, and that's a good thing. So for example, I'll select this object, press M for Move, click a point to pick it up, move the cursor over, but before I click a second point to set it down, I'm going to press the Option key. That leaves a copy behind. Notice that the cursor has a little plus symbol on it to indicate that I'm making a copy. Now I'll click to finish the move operation. I still have the opportunity to change the distance. I'll type in 2 feet, and SketchUp will adjust the position of the copy. The original remains behind. The Move tool can be used to multiply copies or to divide them along a known length. So for example, I'll move this joist from its lower left corner to the endpoint of this line, and then I'll delete the other one. I'll pre-select the joist, press M for Move, pick it up, press Option to leave the original behind, and click to set it down. At this point, I'd like to adjust the distance, so I'll type in 18, return. Now I'd like to multiply the copies. Right now there's only one copy. I'll type in 4x to make 4 copies, or 3x, or 2x. So I have the ability to change the number of copies at this time. Of course, if I select another tool, this opportunity is done. So let me just type in 4x again, and notice that I have 5 objects. So it doesn't count the original. It's only counting the copies in this array. Another way to go is to divide the objects along a known length. So to do this, I'm going to press M for the Move tool. This time I'll pick up the object from its lower right corner, press the Option key to leave the original behind, and click over here on this endpoint. Now I'll type in 4 divided by, and SketchUp will automatically calculate the spacing that's needed to set in 4 equal increments. So I have 5 objects, but 4 increments of space in between them. I can play around with this. I can say 6 divided by, and just see how that looks. So this is a really wonderful way of spacing things like studs or joists, or any type of regular repetitive pattern. You can either do it by a number of copies, given a set increment, using the X operator, or you can copy something a known distance and then divide that into a number of equal increments and let SketchUp do the math for you.